Hey guys, Steve Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Go Rhino's Rockline Stubby Bumper. And with Go Rhino we have Ben. How you doing, Ben?
I'm doing great. And yourself?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
So Ben, the first question that I have is, why am I going to pick a stubby bumper over a full width bumper?
Glad you asked. So for customers that end up upgrading their tire and wheel package or suspension package, we go with a stubby bumper to allow for maximum tire clearance.
Okay.
That way the tire doesn't interfere or hit the bumper.
Great. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the construction of the bumper. What's it made of? What kind of features have you packed into the bumper?
The construction of this bumper is a one-piece welded bumper. It's 3/16 steel, welded all the way across. Comes with a 1 7/8 overrider tube. It's gusset welded. The D-ring crevices are welded to the bumper as well. And we also include different light mount configurations up above on the overrider and on the inside panel behind the mesh. Those are already incorporated as one of the features for this particular bumper.
And before we go too far with that, I do want to mention these d-shackle clamps here. Those are actually a unique design. I really haven't seen anything like that before. This allows us to use the d-shackle like we would, but also I guess we can have some light duty application as well with that.
Yeah, so this is a patented design that you will find on all of our bumpers. It'll use a 7/8 pin for the D-ring shackle, and up above here, if you needed like any recovery straps or what have you, you can use the hook up above.
All right, so Ben, moving on to the installation, how would you rate this for our viewers at home on a scale of 1 to 10 as far as difficulty goes, but also a time scale?
So in terms of difficulty, I would rate this a 7. I do want to point out that this particular install does require drilling, so please make sure you refer to the install sheet. We do let you know what tools you need and also what drill bit you need. In this particular case, it'll take a 1/2" drill bit. In terms of time frame, I would probably say about 2 hours should be about max.
Okay, fair enough. So guys at home, you probably can do this on your own, but if you have any hesitations or problems doing this yourself, check the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there, so you can find a local dealer who would be more than happy to make this install happen for you. Also, if you have any other questions or want more details, that description also has a part number, but also moving back to that dealer locator so you can make your purchase decision there as well. Now guys at home, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, feel free to subscribe or click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. And before we go, Ben, thank you for coming in today, man.
Thanks for having me.
It's been a pleasure. We couldn't have done it without you.
Yep.
Thanks again for tuning in, guys. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.